Hi guys! Hi everyone! Apologies kasi hindi na-start yung video kasi nakalimutan kong i-record yung sarili ko kanina. Anyways, what I'm doing right now is I am installing a water filter. Dalawa po tong filter na to. Isang 5 stages na filter at isang ceramic filter. So, bago pumasok yung tubig sa 5 stages na filter, papasok muna siya or dadaan muna siya sa ceramic filter. So, para hindi agad madumihan yung 5 stages na filter kasi medyo mahal yung set of cartridge niya. And then guys, itong 5 stages na water filter na to is DOH approved. Ang reason kung bakit namin binili to, first thing is yon for home use na rin. But the main purpose of this is because yung Fabcon namin na product is naapektuhan yung quality due to the dumi na lumalabas sa gripo namin. Ayun. Kaya, nirecommend talaga sa amin na to buy a water filter para dun sa product namin na fabric conditioner. And guys, ito, based on my computation, kung tama man yung computation ko, ROI agad. Wala pang 3 months. Kasi this is for home use and for business use. Thanks guys!